If you've been craving something light, cozy, and irresistibly homemade, you're in for a treat. Today, we're making the fluffiest invisible apple cake. A cake that's airy, elegant, and wonderfully simple. Let's dive in step by step. First, let's gather everything you need for the fluffiest invisible apple cake. You'll need 3 medium apples, peeled, cored, and very thinly sliced. Granny Smith or Honeycrisp work best. 2 large eggs, 1 cup granulated sugar, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 2-cup milk, 1 4-cup unsalted butter, melted, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, a pinch of salt. The apples keep the cake moist, eggs and butter create structure, sugar balances, flour keeps it soft, and baking powder adds lift. Milk smooths the batter, vanilla adds warmth, and salt enhances flavor. Make sure your apple slices are very thin. That's what makes the cake invisible. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or 175 Celsius. A consistent temperature is key for an even rise and a golden crust. Prepare your pan by greasing it lightly with butter or lining with parchment paper. A smooth surface ensures the cake releases cleanly after baking. Air is the secret to this cake. Start by beating the eggs with sugar until pale and light. Next, stir in melted butter, milk, and vanilla until smooth and shiny. Sift together flour, baking powder, and salt. Gradually fold the dry ingredients into the wet mixture, keeping the batter light. Finally, gently fold in your thin apple slices by hand. This keeps the air in and gives the cake its invisible layers. Pour the batter gently into the center of your pan and let it spread naturally. Run a spatula across the top for an even layer, and fill no more than 2/3 full to allow space for rising. You can sprinkle a little sugar on top for a subtle caramelized finish. Tap the pan gently to remove air pockets, then it's ready for the oven. Bake in your preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes. The kitchen will fill with the sweet aroma of apples and vanilla. Check doneness with a toothpick. It should come out clean or with just a few soft crumbs. Let the cake rest in the pan for 10 minutes before transferring to a wire rack to cool completely. Cooling is key for keeping your cake fluffy. Loosen the edges with a knife, then invert onto a wire rack. Let it reach room temperature before slicing. Serve plain, or add a scoop of vanilla ice cream, whipped cream, a drizzle of honey, or a sprinkle of cinnamon for extra charm. To keep leftovers moist, cool completely before wrapping tightly in plastic or storing in an airtight container. At room temperature, it lasts up to 2 days, in the fridge up to 7, and slices freeze beautifully. Reheat briefly to regain that soft, fluffy texture. Baking the fluffiest invisible apple cake is more than a recipe. It's an experience filled with warmth, comfort, and a touch of magic. Preheat, mix, bake, and enjoy this delicate, airy dessert. Be sure to check out this video for more.